What's there in refraction toolbox? Hello guys, this is our today's topic. We will see these one by one. The first is the trial frame, which is a metallic or plastic frame with anti-clockwise axis on each side. In the front, there are 2 to 3 slots for spherical, cylindrical lenses and other devices like pinhole or occluder. In the back, it has got one slot. 3 knobs in the front stabilize these slots. It has also got adjustable IPD and nose bridges. The most important tool in the refraction room is the trial lens set. This got spherical, cylindrical and prism lenses. Plus or minus 0.12 diopter to plus or minus 20 diopter of spherical lenses. Plus or minus 0.12 diopter to plus or minus 6 diopter of cylindrical lenses are available in this. Here is a lens with a plus symbol which moves the seen object in opposite direction in all the meridians, suggestive of spherical convex lens. Now comes the lens with minus symbol, moving object in same direction of movement in all the meridians, suggestive of spherical concave lens. We got this lens which shows no movement in one meridian and same direction of movement perpendicular to the previous meridian, suggestive of cylindrical concave lens. The line is the axis of the cylinder where no movement is appreciated. The one with the triangle symbol is the prism lens. This got a thick base and a thin apex, and a line which denotes the axis of this lens. When the prism lens is rotated, the stationary object appears to move in a circle. The black opaque disc is called as an occluder to close one eye while examining the other. An opaque disc with the central hole of 1.32 mm is the pinhole. This blocks peripheral rays, focusing central undeviated rays to the macula. An opaque disc with a rectangular aperture of 15 mm length is a stenopic slit. This is used for refining axis of astigmatism. A series of convex red cylindrical rods arranged parallel to each other to produce line of light perpendicular to those cylinders is called as Maddox rod. This is used to measure the heterotropias. A combination of plus and minus cylinder of same power with their axis perpendicular to each other, supported with a handle at 45-degree axis, is called as Jackson's cross cylinder. This is used for identification, refining power and axis of astigmatism. Red-green filters, the ones which are used for refining the correct power of the eye based on the chromatic aberration. This is a streak retinoscope, a very essential tool to determine refractive status of eye objectively. These are the prism bars. If the base and apex are mounted sideways, then that is the horizontal prism bar. For horizontal deviations. If the base and apex are vertically oriented, then it is vertical prism bar. This is the Royal Air Force ruler for checking the near point of convergence and near point of accommodation. Various normative data are age-wise is given on the sides of the scale. The drum which is visible got targets for NPC and NPA, which is moved towards the patient at a speed of 1 cm per second. And these are the various targets available in that drum. At the end, spectacle prescription, near vision, color vision charts and cycloplegic agents are also the part of refraction toolset. This is all about Toolbox of Us. Thank you for watching.